Ella. Whoa. Whoa.
Hi folks, welcome to Bird Dogs Afield TV. I'm Paul Fuller, your host. We've got a great episode for you today. We recently visited the Katahdin German Shorthair Pointer Club, and they had a nice program introducing puppies to birds. So we've got several puppies out and they're being introduced to live birds for the first time. So this will be very informative and exciting. I hope you enjoy it.
We have four quail tethered up. It's from the, no, look at it. I know, it looks so nice.
Folks, a quick word from Pat Russell, the secretary of the Katahdin German Shorthair Pointer Club, as to the purpose of this training day.
Hi, I'm Pat Russell. I'm with the Katahdin German Short-Haired Pointer Club. We are a New Hampshire, primarily New Hampshire-based club, and we are putting on a mock hunt test and a training day to introduce puppies and young dogs to birds. We have had a wide assortment of ages ranging from 11 weeks to 10 and a half years. Still needing some introduction to birds. And the reason we do this, there are many reasons. One being it's fun. It's wonderful to see everything from an 11-week-old Bronco Italiano puppy to a 10 and a half year old dog who needs just a little bit reinforcement. We also do it because as a club, we are committed to bettering not only the breed, but sporting activities. And this is an opportunity for people to bring their dogs in a non-invasive, non-competitive environment to figure out if they want to go further. And that going further means, in our book, means a hunt test. And so we do a junior hunt test, mock junior hunt test as well. I remember a very long time ago, with my first short hair in the field, I couldn't imagine being brave enough to go out with a dog, let him loose and find birds. Now it's a piece of cake. So we wanted an easy environment for people to be able to try out a hunt test and see if they like it. And is it self-serving? Maybe a little bit, because then we have a hunt test coming up in the fall, and hopefully they will enter.
Hi, my name is Donna, and this is Scout, and this is our first event that we've intro to birds, which I'm hoping that will be just the start of a very long and happy bird hunting experience for both of us. Yes.
So what, 14, 15?
Yes, 16 weeks.
Okay. And been on bird at all?
Nothing. I know nothing other than, no, I know nothing.
So you're showing what I got 4 in feathers. I got 4 in feathers. And so anytime, you gonna hunt test her?
I'm thinking about it.
Yeah. So one of the things you always want to do is find your wind, and make sure you keep the wind in her face when you're looking for a bird. Like I've gone into gun fields already, and walked all the way down the other end, bird fields, all the way down the other end, so I could work my dog into the wind instead of starting with the wind behind us.
Okay.
Point of the game, you want him to be really aggressive. That this is a prize for him, for her. That's all good. I'm going to loose that so he can kill.
Okay, you know what you're doing, so I'm not going to flood in.
I want to see him be aggressive her on that first bird. Because now she'll look for more because she's so excited about it. Good girl.
Follow the cord.
Oh, see how excited? That's great. Got a nice prey drive. she picks it up, call her back to you if you can.
Go, come, go.
Praise the life out of her.
Good girl, go. Here, Scotty, go. Go. Good girl. Good girl. Did she kill it?
That was excellent beginning. You know, you saw the drive, the prey drive in it. And once I threw the bird, she hunted for it with scent, looking for it, and then found it and did what she should do.
Got it.
We don't want her mouthing that, do we?
That's a dead one. Yeah, that's okay. That one's, oh no. Yeah, I think that one's succumbed to the excitement. We're gonna let her chase this one.
Which way are you going?
Once I throw this, then she
Let her
wants to
go.
go, let her go.
I love it.
I love it.
Good girl.
Now we're reeling her in once she picks it up. Come on,
Good girl.
come on.
Good girl.
Yeah, what happens is, it's the old saying, the more the better. And I tell people, the more you get your dog out, of course, it's better it's going to be. But even at an event like this, the more times that dog has contact, and it gets birdie and sees what's going on, it gets better each time. You know, the first time you kind of help it get into it more, and then he finds it and realizes what's going on. And the next time, oh, I remember this. This is that bird thing. And then it gets better all the time. My dog, she's point box turtles. She wore a lot of scent.
Little tail going. Good girl. Good girl.
Hold the paw here as well. To make it pointed. Easy.
That was my next question. I know it's a work in process, so that they don't grab a bird and do the weight thing. Good girl. Good girl. Good girl. Should I let her sniff it? Good
Good.
girl.
Bring it, reel her into you. When she
Good
picks
girl.
it up, bring her back.
Good girl. Good girl. Good girl, Scout. Good girl.
Good girl. Bring it. Come on.
Come on. Right here.
Come on.
Come. Good girl.
Come on. Good girl.
Good. That's good. Want to hold her back?
She's great. You're gonna have a lot of fun with her. She's got a lot of potential.
Well, that's the
And she's
point.
awful pretty. You're gonna finish her quick.
I'd rather do this versus the showing. I realize the confirmation's important, but this is what they're bred to do, and it's so much fun to watch them actually do what they love to do.
it's the best. Yeah, that was a great start. I mean, you could see her get better every fine. she's very aggressive, meaning she wants to be on a bird. She wants to get it. She's interested in it. And you can't have a better start than that with a dog that age.
So I better do some more training.
First time
huh?
on birds. No, she'll progress fast.
A real quick break for a message from our sponsors, and we'll be right back. Bird Dogs Afield, presented by Native Performance Dog Food, providing performance diets for the canine athlete, and brought to you in part by Pete Shoe Dryer, inventor of the footwear dryer, takes on the nuisance of foot odor. Mud River Dog Products, fundamentally changing the expectations of the hunter and dog enthusiast. Tim Pond Wilderness Camps, the place you've been looking for but didn't know how to find.
Lena, this is Bronco Italiano. She's my first Bronco, my first ever trying to hunt. She's 11 weeks old. We're out here. I'm with my husband. He's hunted his German Shorthair pointers, so I'm here to learn and let her do her thing.
Bronco is known for their gait in the field, which is a trot like a horse. And she actually is beautiful. The way she moves, it's amazing. When you look at her, she's very square and balanced, and that's what you look for in a Bronco.
Good girl. What do I do with that thing? What is it?
Okay.
There's a little bit of movement out of it. There we go. That's good. That's okay.
Thank you.
There we go. There we go. Good girl. Good girl, good girl. Good
You want to move on to the next one?
Yeah, yeah.
All right, now.
Oh, wait. We'll call her to you. Call her to you.
Come here, Faith. Good girl.
Yeah, take that.
Good girl.
Praise the bejesus.
Good
out of it.
girl. Good girl.
That ended.
That
perfect.
went better than mine when I took
Good
it from her. She
girl.
bit my hand.
Yeah, that ended.
Yeah.
Perfect.
I told you.
Down.
Yep.
Here you go.
I love that.
Yeah, me too. Look at her.
Go. Come on.
Take her right over there.
Come on. She's eating the steer, Jim. Come on. Good for their guts.
They're good finding it.
Just hit on it right there. I love it. She hit on the leaf, I
Well, it all smells. She's on that bird now.
Hey. Come on, find it.
Don't get too off the clothes. A little bit of, oh, there you go.
Snipped its butt.
It's a good bird. It's got some life to it.
Good girl. Play with me. Let's play.
That's it. That's
Good girl. Good
That's it.
girl. Good girl. Good girl. Come here.
Let her walk with it for a minute.
Yeah.
That's her reward.
Good girl. Good,
Good
girl.
Faith. Good girl.
Woohoo!
Just let her
Good
walk with it.
girl.
Good girl. Come on.
Very proud of herself.
You see that trot right there? She's gorgeous. It really is gorgeous.
No, my question
What's that?
Good girl. Good girl. Good girl. Good girl.
It's really hard to read.
Good girl.
Exactly.
Good girl, baby.
Smell it.
There it is right there, look. Beautiful.
That's it.
Okay.
So
she hit on it back here. You see when her
Yeah.
head turned like that? These dogs are really, really subtle. Especially when they're learning. There's the guy at BBB, he's had labs and short hairs, right? And
It's quicker to
he
pick it
didn't
up.
really understand what the dog was telling him when I gave him a Bronco.
Oh,
thank you.
Yeah.
Well, you know, she took it another step. She retrieved the hand, and that was really nice. You know, each time she got better at locating, more interested in the find, and now she's, well, she likes getting it, picking it up, and bringing it back, and that's a big jump.
Huge.
Yeah,
That's amazing. Thank you.
to your hand 2-3 times.
With Daisy
Okay,
and
I'm
Jennifer,
John, this is Ella.
like,
She's 15 months old. She has her junior hunt
now
test
they want to please.
this fall. Whoa.
So it's up to you what you want to do at this point. If you want to
Whoa.
throw that bird with your hand, if you want to kick it up. They're not going to fly terribly far. They're young birds.
Whoa.
But you want to blank her when it goes, or
Sure.
you have a blank gun with you?
Oh, I didn't know.
You want me to?
Sure.
Are you gonna collar her when you flush that, or do you want her to chase?
I'll follow.
Okay, I'll flush it for you. We'll wait for this. Whoa. Wait.
Don't forget about that one. You're gonna go after it.
You gonna send her for that or not?
You want her to retrieve it?
It's up to you. That's, you know,
Okay.
it's totally your call. I would think so on a day like this. Come. Come. Hey. What do you want to just hunt? We'll just pick it up. Get it.
Leave it.
Good girl. Good girl. Good girl. Good nose.
Come on. Come on.
Stop. Put.
Come on.
Good nose.
Fetch. Come on. Whoa. Whoa.
That's pretty right there.
Ella. Whoa.
Nice.
Whoa. Ella, you stay. Whoa. Whoa. Whoa.
That's a nice one. Yeah, it's totally. So, yeah, it's on the end of that arm right there. That's a nice long thing. Yeah.
Here. Come. Ella. Bring it here. Easy. Here. Ella. Come. 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 Come.
Good, good.
Come. 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 Good girl. Good girl.
Okay, next point. We're here. Your call. Pick it up, throw it, choose. Yeah.
Whoa. Whoa. Good girl. Come. Ella. No. Here. Here. Easy. Bring it here. Come on. Good girl. Good girl.
It's a 9-10.
Good girl.
Yeah.
10-6.
Yeah. Great patient.
Wolf. 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 Here. Come. Here. Ella. 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 Here. Ella. Here. Ella. Girl. That's a good girl. Nice girls.
So we just had a German Shorthair Pointer, a little older than the pups we've had, a little more experience, and you could see the difference. She had a long nose. She was picking up her fines at a good distance. A lot of patience. She held her points for a long time. Nice retrieved the hand. Not quite ready to give it right to the handler, but that comes in time. But she brought it to her, and that's what we're doing. So, very nice dog. Gonna have a lot of fun with that dog.
This is my dog Ava. She's 2.5 years old.
She's just above wind of it. She's downwind of it. We'll hit that in a minute. That's it.
Wow.
So, you gonna blank? I'm gonna blank? Okay. It's all yours.
Ava, no. No.
Yeah, I'll pick it up and throw it.
Whoa. Whoa.
Is she getting it, or are you keeping her here?
If you wanted to get it, she'll get it.
It's up to you.
Ava, bring. 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 Come. Hold it. Hold it. Not very good on that. Whoa.
Very nice.
That's it. Whoa. Whoa.
Stay there with her.
Whoa. 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 Bring it.
Thanks. You got good patience.
Come.
You're real steady.
Come.
There you go. There you go. There you go.
Come. Bring it. Hold it. Out.
Excellent. Excellent.
Wow.
Yeah, it's there.
Wow. You want to throw it? I'll
Yeah.
maybe.
Yeah.
Wow.
I'm gonna throw you to the wall.
Yep. Wow. Wow. Bring it. Come. Come. Bring it. Come. Out. Out. Good girl. Not used to library.
Well, let's just give her.
Yeah, it's very good.
Yeah, here. And she came, and her search was so nice. You know, she didn't know where it went, but out here. So she worked over here, she worked back over here, she got in here, she came back and checked, and boom, she found it. You know, that was excellent. Yeah. She got her JH?
No.
Oh, she'll fly through it.
Yeah, that's what I'm hoping for.
Fly through
Good.
it. Fly. You running this afternoon in the
Yeah.
market? Yeah. What's her name?
Ava.
She might be running with my dog, Boom,
Okay.
my male.
Well, I hope you enjoyed that program. The first time exposure to live birds for puppies, and we don't often see that. I think that's the first episode I've ever filmed like that. But I hope you enjoyed it. And I also hope to meet you in the field someday. Bird Dogs Afield, presented by Native Performance Dog Food, and brought to you in part by Pete Shoedryer, Mud River Dog Products, and Tim Pond Wilderness Camps.